people of the internet and YouTube. I am super excited for today's video because, not sure if you can tell by the ingredients I've got here, the materials: baking soda, glue, saline solution, and shaving foam. Today's video is going to be a DIY slime video. Now, I'm not going to be showing you guys how to make slime. I am going to be learning how to make slime myself. It's not like I've never made slime before. Of course, I've made a bunch of slime, but I'm going to be actually testing out slime recipes. I'm going to be testing a bunch of different types of slime. Okay, not a whole lot, just like 4 different types of slime. I have got a recipe on my phone to get us started off. I've got a little clean table here. Okay, so I'm going to read off the ingredients on this page that I pulled up for DIY fluffy slime. So, it says you need shaving cream, saline solution, baking soda. Oh, and then glue. It doesn't say in the ingredients that you need glue that I can instantly see. Oh, okay. It said you need white glue. I just did not read that part. Got a mixing bowl? Oh yeah, it said food coloring and mixing bowl. I'm not so sure I'm going to be doing food coloring. I mean, I might, but I'm not too sure. Okay, so the first ingredient is, of course, white glue. So, I got a big bottle of glue here. In fact, I think I'm actually going to start off with this one and empty it, because I've had this for a while and it needs to be emptied. 1 cup of white glue. Okay. Is there any more glue in there, or is that it? Is that it? I think that might be it. Whoop. Okay, I guess that's it. 1 cup of it. Wait, what am I doing? I'm not even finished with the glue yet. Okay, I think that's gonna take forever, but let's just try it. I'm gonna see how this does. Okay, you know what? I'm just done with that. I'm done with that. I've given up on you, glue. Oh, maybe? Yeah, I think this, yeah. Alright. Geronimo! 1 cup of shaving cream. Why is this not... Whoa! What the? Okay, maybe. Okay. I don't know what I did. I don't know what I did. I don't know why it isn't going down. Should I keep on adding it in? Okay, that's like a whole lot of shaving foam. Oh. No, you're kidding me. I think I did it wrong. Yes, I'm doing this. I'm doing this. I'm gonna put it back on the table. Don't judge. I don't know what I'm doing, apparently. See, this is why you read the instructions, people. This is why you read the instructions before anything. I am the example of what not to do. 1 teaspoon of baking soda, so let me open this bad boy up here. Why is it not opening? Okay. So, I'm just going to go ahead and mix it here, then. You guys, I honestly feel like this is going to overflow like the whole thing. Okay, combine until consistency is thick and fluffy. Okay. Next up, saline solution. And this is 2 teaspoons, 2 teaspoons. So we're going to do this over the, one. Shoot! Okay, maybe I should have made like a little dip or something before trying this. Because I'm pretty sure most of that didn't go in. You know what, I'm just going to go in and mix it with my hands now. You guys, I made fluffy slime. I'm in the process of making it right now. Oh my gosh. It literally feels like marshmallow taffy, Dad. Okay, you guys, so I'm thinking that the fluffy slime one was definitely a success because, I mean, look at this. Look at it. On to the next one. Okay, so I'm hoping that this one doesn't take as long to make. Hold on. Gotta get some baking soda off there. Last slime took about an hour or more. This one, I'm hoping doesn't take as long. But this one is going to be foam slime. Unfortunately, I couldn't find any foam in the store, so I found something that I hope will work. And the reason it's setting in water is because, okay, so I got this package and it was like sticky and stuck together. This is about the closest I have to phloem. So, we're gonna see how that works. I'm pretty sure it's the exact same thing as what I'm trying to make, but if it doesn't work, oh well. So, let's get on into making this slime. So, we're already starting with the glue. And this time I've got my trusty paper towels here because we remember that mistake from the last time. So how much glue do I need? 2 4-ounce bottles. Pour the glue into a medium bowl. Okay, we survived yesterday with this thing, so I think we're gonna survive again. Why do I feel like I'm screwing up already? Okay. Whatcha? Woo! Okay, how much baking soda do we need? Is the question. 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Ow! Whew, just got pinched by the teaspoon there. Oh, okay, we're just gonna go for this. We're going for it. Okay, so this is about the time where we should start adding the phloem in. Aww, it's not all soft and plop, plop. Oh, and plop, plop. Plop. Plop, plop. It isn't mixing very well. Oh, okay. It's starting to mix. Look at that. Okay, I cannot wait to see how this is going to turn out as slime now. Wow. Just wow. 2 tablespoons of contact solution. Okay, let's try that. 1. Oh, it's already starting to form. 2. Okay, let's mix this bad boy up now. Oh. Okay, it's really starting to, wow, okay. You guys, this working! Oh my gosh, look at that. Oh my goodness, this is the best slime that I have ever felt, honestly. Uh-oh, I've got phloem beads sticking to my hands now. Uh-oh, that's not good. I would say that the slime in and of itself was a success. Can you, like, see this? Like it's coming off on my hands, so I'm not really sure how good it was in the end. But the slime itself is really good. I would say the phloem slime wasn't as great of a success. I mean, I know it looks like it was, but to be honest, like, it's all over my hands. I don't typically see it all over people's hands. I'm wondering if it's just the beads that I use, because honestly, like, I'm not even sure if I used the right beads, because it's what I had at home. I'm gonna have to say this was kind of a fail. Woo! So, on to the next slime. Okay, so this slime is gonna be a glitter slime. I'm not a girl that likes glitter a lot. Like, I do enjoy glitter, just not like a whole lot. But I just thought it'd be a good idea to try some glitter slime just because. Let's get started! I know, I'm being really weird. I feel like I keep having like a different range of like excitabilities throughout this video, so bear with me, please. Bear with me. Try to reach the bottles. Whoop, okay, it's going. I guess we're pouring it in. Pour the glue into a medium bowl. Stir in the food coloring and glitter if desired. I'm gonna put in the glitter right now. Whoa, that is a lot more glitter than I was expecting. Okay. Whoa, okay. I did not expect that. Get in the teaspoon. Why am I stirring with my left hand? Okay, it's actually pretty glittery there. Okay. Whoa! Plop. Okay, most of the glitter isn't coming off. Oh, but it is kind of coming off on my hands. Oh, yep, it's coming off on my hands. This is what I was afraid of. Whatever. I got that on camera, right? This thing is gassy. Oh, I should do the thumbnail. Okay. Oh, it's coming undone. Okay. I give this a good rating. I give this a very good rating. This is actually the best slime out of all of them so far. Look, I've got like little to no residue from the glitter on my hands. And on to the last and final slime. Last slime DIY is glitter glue slime. But this is not like Elmer's glitter glue, because like we couldn't find any of that for a good price, so we just went with small bottles. Not sure how this is going to work yet, but we're going to try it and find out. That looks so satisfying to watch. Okay, let's pour that in. Ooh, but that is really liquidy glue. Guys, it literally just turned to liquid. What did I do? Okay, yeah, let me add in some regular glue really quick. Oh no, I think I may have just made it worse. I don't know what happened! Okay, I guess we're gonna try the saline solution now. Oh, please tell me this is gonna work. Please tell me. Okay, it's working. Okay, I think I saved it by adding in the regular glue. I don't know. Oh wow. That is like, oh man. That's like not even working right. Not slime, like it's half slime and just like half not. It just has failed. Thank you guys for watching today's video, or this week's video, whatever it's called anymore. Comment down below what your favorite kind of slime is, and I think that mine, out of all four of these, it was probably the glitter slime. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I will see you guys next week. Oh, my phone just went off. Ooh, okay.